Imagine waking up one day and your bank is gone. Not hacked, not bankrupt, just irrelevant. That's not a sci-fi plot, it could be our future. Banks are crumbling in trust, crypto is rising in power. But will digital currencies actually replace traditional banks? And no, we're not talking about becoming Bitcoin billionaires overnight. Unless you've got a time machine and a friend named Satoshi. Let's decode this future, what it means for your money, your freedom, and your next financial move. Because this is bigger than you think. In 2008, the world saw banks collapse, taking life savings with them. That fear, it planted the seed for crypto. Cryptocurrency isn't just digital cash. It's a rebellion against broken systems. It's money with math instead of middlemen. When was the last time your bank gave you 20% interest for not calling them? DeFi, or decentralized finance, lets people earn, borrow, and trade without permission. But freedom comes with risk, and that risk might just be what keeps banks alive. Let's be real. Crypto is cool, but it's also confusing. Wallets, keys, tokens, gas fees. It's like trying to pay for coffee using an interdimensional Rubik's Cube. Banks still offer something crypto doesn't: simplicity, trust, insurance, customer support that doesn't ghost you when your coins vanished. In 2022 alone, over $3 billion was stolen from crypto platforms. No refunds, no helpline, just gone. Until crypto becomes safer and easier, banks still hold the advantage. But that's changing, fast. What if I told you it's not crypto versus banks, but crypto and banks? Major banks are already testing blockchain tech. Some are launching their own coins. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are coming, and they're bringing regulation with them. Think of it like Jurassic Park. Banks are the dinosaurs, but some are evolving into crypto raptors. This hybrid future, it's not a theory, it's happening. Imagine sending money anywhere in seconds. No fees, no delays, complete control over your wealth. That's not 2035. That's 2025 knocking on your door. So what do you do in this revolution? You don't wait. You prepare. Because money is changing whether you're ready or not. Start by learning the basics of crypto. Understand your financial goals. Don't put your life savings into Dogecoin because a TikTok said so. Unless your financial advisor's name is Doge Father, maybe. Hold off. This is about long-term strategy. Diversify. Stay curious. Don't fear change. Master it. Crypto may not kill banks, but it's forcing them to evolve. And when money evolves, so does power. The next decade will decide who controls money: governments, tech giants, or you. But here's the twist: crypto might not be the final form of money. There's something even bigger on the horizon, and it could change everything again. Hit that subscribe button if you want to be on the right side of the future.